Hello there everybody, Shashwat aka the Mystic Monk. Welcome to the channel. Today's video is about an unboxing basically. I have been waiting for this particular product for quite a while now. What I'm talking about, I'll just show you. I am talking about the new Zhiyun Smooth 4. Yes, I hope, yeah, I don't know if, yes, now you can see it. So, I have been using the Smooth 3 for quite a while now, and there were certain things that I did not like about it. So with the Zhiyun 3, the horizon always seemed a little crooked. I don't know why, but I hope they have fixed the problem with this Smooth 4. So we'll do the quick unboxing. We'll see what's inside the package and how it is packed and what all goodies we get. And after that, well, I don't know, I'll be testing it after that obviously, and after that I'll be coming up with another video. So let's get my trusty Leatherman. We'll pull out the knife here and we'll do the unboxing. So okay, like you guys have to see this, right? And a slice, yeah, keep that to the side. I'm sorry I do not have another tripod, otherwise I would have rolled a secondary camera on top or something. I have ordered one, so I hope it gets delivered soon. So let's just open this thing up. Okay, put it tight. So like, I'll do push a bit. So here we have a styrofoam kind of a box with the logo, the company's logo on it. This seems pretty sturdy. This is just like the box I got with the DJI Mavic Spark. It had a similar kind of a box, similar material. I think this is styrofoam, I don't know. So let's just open this thing up. I'll do this and we'll see what all stuff's inside. So here we have this tripod leg. We have a USB cable. This is type C, I believe. This is for charging and maybe for connecting your phones. Like with the Smooth 3, you could charge your phone while you are using it, so maybe this would do the same. And here is the main thing, the main unit. We'll just pop it out. This is quite okay. Here we go. This is the main gimbal, and the tripod leg thing would fit in here, so we'll just leave that aside for a moment. Okay, so oh, so this clicks into place. That is nice, because that was something which was missing with the Smooth 3, and it used to just go about places all the time. This is built of plastic. This is heavy duty plastic, very well made. It seems sturdy, but it doesn't seem very heavy. This is light. The weight is quite nice, and I guess it would be very nicely balanced when I put my camera, I mean the mobile phone on this. This thing has got a focus wheel, which could also be used as a zoom. We have two buttons here. We have the main switcher, P, F and L. I believe this is pan follow and lock switcher. This thing does not have a joystick. This has a dial. I believe this rotates. Yes, it does. And it has got some other buttons to it. I kind of like the build quality. It is a bit better made than the Smooth 3. I'll have to test this out. I don't know what all these buttons are. And yes, this did come with a quick start guide, but this has nothing on it. It says, I'll read you. As a contribution to environmental protection, paper user guide is not provided with this product. Please download a user guide on Zhiyun's official website. So, don't need that. We'll play with this, and I'll take this out this evening or maybe tomorrow, and I'll play with this and I'll come up with a review very soon. So this was the unboxing for the Zhiyun Smooth 4. Subscribe to this channel, and if you like this video, do press the like button. Tell your friends about this channel, because I'll be coming up with more and more videos regarding photography, equipments and whatnot. Bye bye.